also connect by pressing the pen icon. Turn the pen on. Press the pen icon in the upper left corner. When the pen connection screen appears, press the Connect. LED will be changed to green when the pen is connected. Pen connection is also available in the More menu. Tap the More menu and Pen connection. Turn on the pen and press the Connect button in the app. You can also connect multiple pens. First, register a pen. Tap the pen icon. When you slide the pen information, pop-up screen and the new pen registration screen will be appeared. Turn the pen on. Press the Connect button of the app to complete the connection. Can I write with different pens? Neostudio supports up to 2 pens that can be used at the same time. Let's change the color and thickness of the pen. Tap the pen icon to change the pen color and thickness. Color and thickness can also be changed in the More menu. Press Pen Settings. Tap the connected pen to change the color and thickness. You can easily replace the pen refill after using it up. Pull the used refill apart from the pen. Just put in a new refill. You can buy a pen at Neosmartpen's office mall or in your near stationaries. If you write on the same page on the same type of notebooks, the page will overlap. Once you finish with a notebook and you want to use another, please make sure you lock the notebook by Smart Pen icon before you use another. This Smart Pen icon on the notebook will enable or disable the notebook. The offline mode indicates the pen is used without connection to the app. In this case, your writings will be stored in the pen. Once the pen is connected, then the app detects it and asks you to transfer the data to the app. Changing the theme will give a whole new look for your app. From the More menu, tap Change Theme. Check the botanical theme and press OK button. Now just enjoy using the botanical theme. Mail and messenger icons are printed in the digital paper. You can easily send your mails by tipping the mail icon with Dimo. If you tip the social networking app, you can easily share it with your messenger apps. You can register your email address. On the More screen, tap Set up Shared Email. Register your email address and now you can share to your mail faster. Let's try replacing the battery. Remove the battery cover on the back of the pen by turning it counterclockwise. Check the polarity of the battery and insert. Make sure that the metal part of the battery cover must be aligned to the groove. Turn the battery cover clockwise to lock it.